Welcome to the in front of me Oppo A54s, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which device comes. So let's open the box, and here we can see the Oppo original charger brick with all of the specs here. The next thing is the USB Type-C cable. And also we have here the headphones. So just we here also have in this paper box some accessorises, and the next accessorize, that's the protective case, the clear one in just the silicone one. And also we have here some paperwork like the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card here. And also we have the SIM jack tool here. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.